Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Windows. Let's learn square root of 3 by equation method. We can get the value of the square root of 3 just in 5 seconds. It is the easiest method. Let's watch the session. We don't need any calculators, tablets, computers, and phones. So, the square root of 3 by equation method. Now, how do we calculate it? It's very simple. We need to know only two key points. Rule 1. Need to remember only a very simple equation. Square root of x plus minus y is equal to square root of x plus minus y divided by 2 root x. This is a very simple equation, and we can find out the square root of 3 or any other non-perfect squares easily. So, this equation needs to be kept in mind. Plus minus means the equation is valid for both positive and negative signs. Hence, we can write square root of x plus y is equal to square root of x plus y divided by 2 root x, or square root of x minus y is equal to square root of x minus y divided by 2 root x. To generalize, we will keep the plus minus sign in the equation. Point number 2. The square roots of all perfect squares. These are very simple, and we all know it. So, perfect square roots. We will see a table in the form of perfect square, square forms, square roots, root value. Perfect square means 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and so on. Let's try to understand the perfect square roots in a table. 1 is a perfect square. We can write 1 as 1 square. So, square root of 1 square. Hence, the value is 1. 4 is a perfect square. We can write 4 as 2 squares. So, square root of 2 square. Hence, the value is 2. 9 is a perfect square. We can write 9 as 3 squares. So, square root of 3 square. Hence, the value is 3. 16 is a perfect square. We can write 16 as 4 square. So, square root of 4 square. Hence, the value is 4. 25 is a perfect square. We can write 25 as 5 squares. So, square root of 5 square. Hence, the value is 5. 36 is a perfect square. We can write 36 as 6 squares. So, square root of 6 square. Hence, the value is 6. In the same way, we can write all the other perfect squares as well. So, we have learned the equation and perfect squares. Let's learn the calculation process step by step. We know the equation square root of x plus minus y, and we have to find out the value of square root of 3. Write 3 as square root of x plus minus y. Here, square root of 3 can be written as square root of 4 minus 1. Remember, x should always perfectly square. Right hand side of the main equation is equal to square root of x plus minus y divided by 2 root x. As per the equation, we can write root 4 minus 1 is equal to root 4 minus 1 by 2 root 4. Here, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. If we simplify, it will be 2 minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 2, or 2 minus 1 by 4, or 2 minus 0.25 or 1.75. This is a tentative value of the square root of 3. The actual value of the square root of 3 is 1.732. Check out our newly launched website www.studywindows.com for the detailed calculation of the actual value. Thank you so much.